continue to discuss our peace, to continue to discuss love for all, to continue to discuss our goodness, welfare, to educate our people, to love themselves and worship their chi. That is God, Chineke, Chukwokike, that created them. Chiuku. You see, by the time we begin to do all of this, our freedom will begin to come. Yes, if we worship our true God, our freedom will come and come quick. I greet you all. I thank you for watching. Also, do share this video. Let the discussion for our freedom continue. Let us begin to talk to ourselves. Let us begin to harmonize our thoughts, come together, love ourselves,